Hi, I want to show how to make another recipe. This recipe is called Fiesta ToGo. Now basically it's a simple taco salad, but you can make this in a small cup or tiny bowl for parties, like if you're doing a birthday party. You could have a taco station set up and let the kids make their own taco to go in a small cup. But if you like taco salad, like I do, you could make a larger one and make it for a meal, lunch or supper, and it would be a really healthy, easy meal for your family. So the first thing I've done, of course, is to sanitize my surfaces and wash my hands, and I wiped off all the tops of the cans that I was using with a damp rag. Then I went ahead and opened all my cans and got my ingredients ready. So the first thing I've done is I have a 16-ounce can of black beans. I've taken the beans already and drained and rinsed them, just like I showed you in the black bean and corn salsa video. That removes all the black liquid in the beans so that you don't have an ugly color in your dish. So now I have the drained and rinsed beans, and to that I'm going to add 1 pack of taco seasoning. This is a 1-ounce package of the packed taco seasoning, like if you're making tacos at home. So I'm just going to add that to my beans, and I'm going to mix it really well. Now this would be a great thing for your kids to help do if they want to learn to cook and get involved in the kitchen. Now you might think that your children won't like black beans, but you'll be surprised. This past summer, I did this recipe with a 4-H group I was working with, and when we got to the part of tasting, I said something to the kids about if they like the beans, and this little girl said, "Oh, I love them," and I said, "Do you like them as good as if you had ground beef in your taco salad?" And the little girl said, "Well, Miss Melanie, I had forgotten that it didn't have ground beef in it." So don't give up on your kids, they may surprise you. So in my little bowl, I'm going to add some of the black beans with the taco seasoning mixed in. That's our protein base. Whoops, lost one. And then I'm just going to add assorted toppings. Whatever your favorite is what you want to use at home. Now I love tomatoes, so I have some chopped tomatoes here. And then I have some shredded cheddar cheese. And then I have some lettuce that's already shredded. Mine was actually a salad mix in the fridge. But that's what we do. We use what we have on hand, right? Then I'm going to put some fat-free sour cream. And I believe I might put a little salsa. This is just mild salsa from a jar. So I have some chopped green onion here and some guacamole, but those toppings are not my favorite, so I'm going to leave them off of mine. But then I have some tortilla chips, and you just simply take it and have your taco to go, like a dip. Pretty simple, but you'll be surprised how flavorful the beans are with the taco seasoning in them. But you can make this in a bigger version for a taco salad for a dinner for your family. I hope you like this recipe, and I hope to get to see you again soon.